Yes. A very good afternoon to all of you children. In today's session, we'll be learning about, or we'll be recapping on the same topic that we have discussed in the last session, that is worksheet 10, verb tenses. So before we move on to the detailed study of it, let me ask you a few questions regarding the topic. So first of all, let me ask Jonath, what is a verb, Jonath? Jonath, yes, what is a verb? Is there any network issues there? I couldn't hear you properly, Jonath. Okay, Jonath, I'll come to you later. Mohammed Sahil, come on. I'll come to you, Jonath, later. It's not audible to me. Mohammed Sahil, come on, tell me what is a verb? First, we'll start with the verb. Let me see whether you have understood.
Action word.
Yes, very good, Mohammed Sahil. Verb is an action word. Could you tell me what Suvrat? Sorry. Yes, Suvrat, are you there? Come on, tell me what is the tense then? What is the tense? Yes. What is the tense, Suvrat?
Tense.
Tense means what? We have learned in the last session. What is a tense then? Verb means action words, okay, or doing words. Okay, we do different actions. So all the action words are called verb. What is the difference? What is a tense then? What do you mean by tense? Who can give me the answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Meenakshi TS, come on. Come on, tell me what is a tense then, Meenakshi? Come on, Meenakshi. You can give me the answer. Yes.
We do after, before, and going to do.
No, what is the one word? What do we call tenses means what? What do you mean by the word tenses? Do after and all these, okay. What you have said is okay. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I wanted, what do you mean by the word tenses? Yes, Sarah, come on, give me.
Ma'am, tell us
Yes.
the time of action.
Very good. That is what. Verb means it's an action word, okay? But tenses is nothing but it tells us the time of the action. Is that clear to all of you? Tells us what, children, tenses? All of you say me, Sarah said it in a very capsule form. She has answered. Very good, Sarah. Tells us the time of the action. Very good, Sarah. Have all of you understood? Tells us the time of the action. Okay. Now this time is divided into, that is, these tenses are divided into three. Okay, who can give me the answer? Which are the three tenses? These time. Okay, as we have already discussed, tenses tells us the time of the action. Now this time is being divided into three. What are they? That is, who can give me the answer? Okay, Ihan, come on, give me the answer. What are the three tenses?
Present tense, future tense, past tense.
Okay, present tense, past tense, and future tense. So tenses tells us the time of the action. So the actions may take place at any time of the day. Okay, so what does the present tense tell us? Deva Binoy, what is the present tense? As Ihan told us, is very right. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. What does the present tense tell us or indicate? Come on, Deva.
Ma'am, I was
Louder.
Ma'am, I was not to today's class.
Why? Can't you watch the recording which is there already sent in the WhatsApp group? Okay, Arshiga, going on to, I'm not asking you more questions regarding that. Arshiga, come on. Come on, give me. What do you mean by the present tense? Please do watch, children. If you're absent for any of the session, please do watch the recording session which is being sent in the WhatsApp group. Okay, please don't miss it. Yes, Ashriga, come on, give me the answer. Ashriga, come on. Deva Binay, please do listen very carefully. Ashriga, come on. What does the present tense tell us or indicate? Come on, tell me. What does it tell us? Who can give me the answer then? Yes, Jonath, come on, give me the answer. What does the present tense tell us? Children, everything which is the grammar is like a mathematics. It should be in your fingertips. Unless we know the first part, we can't move on to the second part of it. Okay, grammars is like that. It should be in your fingertips. So verb, we should know it's an action word. So verb is related to tenses. Tenses tell us the time of the action. These tenses are divided into three. These are the present tense, past tense, and the future tense. Now we are moving on to what does the present tense mean? Or what does the present tense indicate? Jonah, come on, tell me.
Going to happen today.
Yes, very good. What is happening today? What is happening today? Today we are now in the present. Okay, what is happening now? It is called as the present. It's very good, Jonah. Now, what do you mean? What does the past tense indicate? Other. Come on, raise your hands. If you know the answer, please do raise. I'll be calling. Other, come on. Yes, past tense. What do you mean by the past tense?
Time which we have did.
Yes, did means already, which we have already happened.
The action that we did.
Yes, action that we did or already happened. Okay, that
But
we have
Arthur
done
Martin
yesterday.
joined now only.
Yes, okay, it's okay, but you have answered to the question. Okay, so the action which have already happened or already the action which already has taken place. Okay, that is known as the past tense. Has already happened is called as the past tense. Now, Steny, come on, tell me what do you mean by the future tense or what does the future tense indicate? Come on, tell me. What does the future tense indicate?
Ma'am, past tense means going to do na.
Yes. Let Steny answer. I'll be. Yes, Steny, come on.
Be done.
No, what do you mean by the future tense? Future tense means what? Yes, come on, tell me. Which is?
Which?
A present tense I've already said. That is what is happening now. Past tense means already happened. And what is the future tense? Future means what? What do you mean by future tense? Everybody knows the answer. Yes, Vaishnav, come on. What is the future tense?
Going to happen.
Very good, Vaishnav, very good. It is which is going to happen. Children, it is nothing but there are three tenses. Present means now. What is happening now at this moment? That is known as a present tense or today. What is happening now? Today we are now here. Okay. And what has happened yesterday or what had already happened is called as the past tense. What is going to happen in future? It may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow or in future. That is known as future tense. Is that clear to all of you? Now we are moving on to how these forms, that is the verb forms, can be written in different tense form. Okay, so cook. So I've already given you an example, cook. Cook is a present tense. How we can write the same word in the past tense and the future tense? Okay, past tense. Okay, I have cooked. I have to add the word or add the letters ed to it to show that the action is in the past tense. Okay, but the rule doesn't apply for all the words. That is, but not all the words follow the rule. For each word, it differs. Have you understood? But most of the words, we can add ed to the words to show that the word is in the past tense. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
Is that clear? Have you understood? Okay, so most of the words we can add ed to the word to show that the action is in the past tense. But that rule doesn't apply for all the words. Okay, now the same word to show in the future tense, what we can do, we have to add the word will before the word. Okay, so we say will cook. So will cook is a future tense. So we will cook for dinner tomorrow. We will cook for dinner tomorrow. Okay, so will cook, will has to be added before the word to show that the action is in the future tense. Is that clear to all of you now? Clear? Yes. Now, the next session we are moving on to, I have already told you to learn this table by heart. This table is something which is very important, and we are learning only about the three main tenses. There are not only three main tenses. Altogether, each tenses are again divided into 4 each. So 4 threes are 12 tenses are there. So these three tenses are again subdivided into 4. Okay, each tenses. So that we'll be learning in the next further classes. That is when we go to the 4th standard and 5th standard, we'll be learning about in detail. So as far as 3rd standard is concerned or grade 3 is concerned, we have to know all these tenses by heart. So this table, I've told you to learn it by heart and write it 3 times. That is the reason I've already told you. We have to know each form very properly. The present tense form of each word, that is, it differs from word to word. So present tense, the past tense and the future tense has to be learned well. Future tense is very simple. You have to add will before the present tense form. But even then, we have to know the present tense form, the past tense, and the future tense very thoroughly. Now is a questioning session, children. I'm going to ask each one before we move on to that is the daily test. Let me ask you a few questions to you all. So we'll start with, I wanted all your videos should be on. Only then I'll be asking you questions. Niranjan, come on. What is the past tense form of the verb talk? Talk, very good. Jadisa, what is the past tense form of the verb dance? Dance.
Danced.
Jadisa, come on, fast.
Vaishnavi can say
Dance. Danced. Danced. I told you the past tense form is quite easy. For some words, we can add D or ED to it to change that word into past tense. Very good. Ishan, come on, tell me the past tense form of the verb write. Children, unless you study, we can't do anything. This table has to be learned by heart. So what is the past tense form of the verb write?
Vaishnavi.
W-R-I-T-E. Come on, Ishan.
Writed.
No. Writed, there is no such word in that. Who can give me the answer? Devaj,
Ma'am,
come on.
Vaishnavi.
Devaj, come on. What is the past tense form of the... Yes, wrote. Right, the past tense form of the verb write is wrote. What's the spelling of wrote is? W-R-O-T-E. Okay, wrote. Wrote it is. So as we learn even the spelling too. I know this year, that is the online classes, we are not concentrating much on the spelling, but see children, you have to learn the spelling too. That is a must. When you write and study, see that you spell out the words and also learn the spelling too. Only then we can learn all these well. Okay, children. So write, the past tense of writers wrote. The past tense of writers wrote. The spelling of wrote is W-R-O-T-E.
O-T-E.
Yes, very good. Now I'll move on to Kevin. Kevin, come on. What is the past tense of sing? Past tense of sing.
Vaishnavi knows the answer.
Sing. Abigail, come on. What is the past tense form of sing?
Sang.
Sang. Children, I kindly request you all to learn this table very well. Okay? Yes, in the next session, I'll be moving on to the next class. But until then, I wanted all of you to write this and learn this table once more. Okay? Those who haven't finished learning or those who haven't completed page 17, please do complete it. The notes also will be sent to you and see that you learn well. Okay? So, okay. Now I'll move on to Sanvia. Come on, Sanvia. Sanvia, unmute it and give me the past tense form of where. What is the past tense form of where? What is the past tense form of where? Where is? Past tense form of where, Sanvia? Wore. Very good. Wore. W-O-R-E. Wore. W-O-R-E is wore. Okay, I'll move on to Parvana. Parvana, come on. What is the past tense form of take? Take. Yes, took. Very good. Anjita, come on. What is the past tense form of the verb drive? Drive.
Drive.
Draw.
Come on, Anjita. Unmute it.
Draw. Draw.
What is that?
Draw.
Drove. All the others are answering. Anjita, what's the answer for drive is? It is drove. Okay. So, children, we'll move on. I hope you have studied. Now let's move on to the question paper will be sent in the chat box, children. So please do access what is being sent. And you know how this has to be done. Okay, so please do wait. I'm going to send the question paper. All of you, please do check your chat box. All of you, please do check your chat box, children. Did all of you get your link? Put a thumbs up, all of you. Let me see you lively, active. Yes, now come on, start doing it. Children, you should be active, lively. Only then we can work out. Okay? And this week, all of you are going to learn this table again. Okay? Let me see. So this is the question paper, children, for you. That is, you have to write your name there. First, see that you write your name. Don't forget. Then click on the class, that is third E. Third standard first. Then on the division is E. Then we have 5 questions for you. Pick out the past tense form of the verb right. Okay, click on the right options. While we are doing the objective type questions, children, to confuse you, the different options will be look alike. But see that if you have learned well, click on the right options. Okay, writes, will write, wrote. So you click on the right option. What is the past tense? Past tense of write. Okay, then the next question is future tense of put. Future tense of put. What is the future tense of put? Is it will put it, put it. Okay? And the third question is past tense of where. Where? What is the past tense of where? Please do read all the options given. Will, where, would, and click on the right option. Okay? Present tense of brought. Present tense of brought. Brought, it is, children, B-R-O-U-G-H-T. So 3 words look alike: bring, buy, break. So look for the correct word. Bring, buy, break. So brought it is. So click on the right options. And the past tense form of go. The question here is past tense form of go. Past tense form of go. And click on the right options. Okay? And click on the right options. That is take, went, drove. You have to write the past tense form of go. G-O, go. Take, went, drove. And click on the submit button if you have finished. Those who have joined late, please do inform me. The chat box, the link will be sent. Only 5 questions are there, children. So I want all of you, I'm telling you again, I wanted all of you to learn this table very well. Okay? Yes, have all of you finished? Okay. Children, while you're clicking on the options, please do click on the right options. Don't make mistakes. Rebecca, Shivashankar, Janice, all these children have got 5 out of 5. Andrea, Anoop, Niranjan, Ihan. See that, children? Click on the right options, especially in the objective type to confuse you. All the 3 options may look alike, but unless you know the answer very thoroughly, only then you can click on the right options. Abigail, Meenakshi, T.S., Fajas, Ashiga, Meenakshi, Anu. Okay. Yes, those who haven't sent, please do click on the submit button, children. Have all of you sent? Is there anybody still doing? Have all of you finished, children? Children, I've received only 28 responses. What about the others? 4 responses more, 28. So 3 responses more. Is there anyone still to send the responses? If it's there, please do send quickly, children. I hope all of you have got the link. Is there anyone who hasn't got the link? Please do respond. Children, let me ask you, did everybody got your link? Is there anyone who... Yes.
Yes.
Have all of you clicked on the submit button?
No.
Submit, you did not get... All of you, please don't talk.
Ma'am, Arthur got full mark.
Ma'am, I don't get link.
Who did not get the link? Suvrit. Okay, I'll be sending it in the chat box. Please do.
Yes.
Yes.
That's it.
Ma'am, Vaishnavi can leave.
No, nobody can leave the session. It's an online session. Nobody can leave. Much question. You have to be there for 35 minutes or 40 minutes allotted. Once you finish, you can't leave the session. There's only few minutes left. 4 minutes left. Hardly 4 minutes. So I wanted to remind you that I wanted all of you see that you click on the submit button. Let me see whether all of you have submitted it. Before we wind up today's session, children, I wanted to tell you something. Before we wind up today's session, I wanted to tell you or remind you about something.